Welcome to the Donnyman Family Kitchen. And in today's video, we are going to show you how to make corn silk tea. Okay, so corn silk tea. Stick around if you want to see the health benefits, the immense health benefits of this wonderful tea. Now, let me just start off with the tasting of it, and then we'll move on to the recipe. So, it's got a little bit of a golden type of appearance. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. That is nice. That's something that when I'm sat down and at night time I'm watching some Netflix and you've got like this ambience in the room, it just goes with the feel. It really complements that, and that's what it's kind of giving me. Now let's move on to the recipe itself. Okay, so we have some fresh sweet corn over here, and what we are going to do is just remove the outer layer. And as you remove the outer layer, you'll soon get to a point where you see some of this. So this is specifically called corn silk. That is what you want to extract from the sweet corn. That is the pearl within the oyster when it comes to this particular recipe. Okay, you can see this corn silk. This is what we specifically need to make this recipe. And it just looks wonderful. It's just got a very vibrant color to it. And yeah, let's move on to the next step. Add in 1 cup of boiling hot water. Now we are going to place in the corn silk inside. Now, once you put the corn silk inside, bring it to a boil. Give it a little bit of a stir. And once it starts boiling, what you want to do is just let it simmer for the next 10 minutes. Let's look at the few scientifically proven benefits of this healthy tea. So number 1, it is a diuretic. Number 2, it can lower blood pressure. So it's believed to lower blood pressure. Number 3, it may be useful in treating urinary tract infections. Number 4, it might aid in weight loss. Number 5, it can help manage kidney problems. Okay, so add in 1 teaspoon of honey, but it's really up to you how much you desire. Depending on how much sweetness you like to have when you're having any type of tea or any type of beverage. So we're just putting in 1 teaspoon of honey into that. Okay, so do like the video. Do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. And comment below what your recommendations are for the future. We certainly have a look at them. And if it makes sense, like we've done in the past with many of you guys, we've actually gone out and made those recipes. So with that said, catch you in the next one.